This is room 2220, the W, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. From the entrance here, the living area is right there. Dining room area. The person hiding behind the door is right. Okay, this little room here is, I'm not sure what it's for. It's got the fridge, the mini bar, stuff like that. Kind of got a stupid dead space there. It makes no sense, but coming back out of the room, there's a balcony door there. There's another balcony door in the bedroom there. I'll show you afterwards. But this is the dining room area. And then going into this room right here is a walk-in closet. It's a nice sized walk-in closet. Plenty of room for all the stuff. Into the bathroom. Big double sink. Soaker tub. Shower's nice and big, and a toilet's inside this. Okay, and this balcony is all part of our balcony. It goes around, and I'll point down this way later. You'll see these chairs. It actually even goes further, I think. Yeah, it goes beyond there, that far. Got a lot of balcony space out here for ourselves. Bedroom with slider doors and all that stuff. And then here's one balcony door. I'm not going to go out that way. I'm going to go out the other way. So from the balcony here, this would be like the people next to us, their balcony. This wall right here is just to divide it. If it would be higher, it would obstruct views. So here's what we get on our balcony. We get the table and chairs, sofa area, unobstructed views, beautiful. There's only 2 floors above us, and I'm sure those are even bigger and nicer. You get 2 lounge chairs, and then this balcony goes here, goes all the way around down to there, past where the soaker tub was over there. So plenty of area, and a coastal view, and the ocean. That right next door is the Hilton.